A very warm welcome to the food and beverage service session. Dear students, today we shall be discussing about a very interesting topic, that is insurance. Before we begin, let me take this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. I am Yogendra Singh Tanwar, working as an assistant professor at AISSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. Dear students, if you have any doubts or queries, please feel free to drop me a line on my email address, which you can see on your screen right now. So today's subject is Events Management, code C404, Chapter 4, Legal Compliance, Subtopic 4.4, Insurance. So today's learning outcomes are: by the end of this session, dear students, you should be able to define insurance and its meaning, importance of event insurance, types of insurance, and cost of insurance. So let's understand the meaning of insurance. So insurance is a contract of indemnity under which insurance company or insurer agrees to pay a certain sum of money to compensate loss caused by the occurrence of uncertain event in consideration of certain periodical payment, that is premium. It can be also defined as an arrangement by which a company or the state undertakes to provide a guarantee of compensation for specified loss, damage, or death in return for the payment of a specified premium. The concept of premium of insurance is very simple to understand. You pay a fee, that is premium, to the insurance company to insure the events. In return, the insurance pays for the financial damages in case of any harm to the insured event company. Event company transfers the risk of a financial loss you might experience due to life uncertainties to an insurance company for a small fee. Allow enough time to investigate and arrange the correct insurance. This may include asking for quotes and professional advice. Finding the right insurance broker is the first priority. The concept of insurance is very simple to understand. Now, let's understand why event insurance is important. If you are planning an event, whether it's a corporate conferences, seminars, live concerts, award ceremonies, school and college annual functions, wedding ceremonies, or sports events, so you have to make sure you have appropriate event insurance in place, which can help you protect your event from unforeseen circumstances and losses to your business. Now, insurance event insurance provides you with the stability. It is a safety net for risk. When things go wrong, insurance is there to cover you. Insurance also ensures event financial stability and security. Transfer of risk. Insurance brings peace of mind. Insurance reduces stress during difficult times. Complete protection for the event. So the bottom line is that having insurance for the events and liability is an essential part of financial planning. It can save you from financial hardship in case of any unforeseen circumstances. However, the decision to buy insurance should be determined by three factors. Number one, the requirement. Number two, the benefits you get from the insurance company. Number three, your liability or your ability to pay the premium. Make sure that the event committee or company is fully covered for the whole time, that is from the first meeting, and you require all the suppliers of products and services to show they have liability cover. Be prepared to give the insurance broker all information concerning the event and the companies involved. They, they may require a list of possible hazards. Be prepared to record the details of any damage or injury. Photographs and videos are a help in this. Keep all records. As a claimant, you need to formulate a claim. Look at what is included and excluded in the insurance document. For example, rain insurance is specific about the amount and time of the rain. Are the event volunteers covered by the insurance? So you need to check on these aspects as well. So dear students, let's understand what are types of insurance provided by insurance companies. So it covers a wide variety of insurance such as weather insurance, personal accident insurance for volunteer work, property insurance, workers' compensation insurance, public liability insurance, event cancellation insurance. Now, the choice of the particular insurance cover is dictated by the risk management strategy developed by the event management company. Now, what is covered under the insurance? Now, dear students, whatever ventures you may undertake in the entertainment industry, be it a religious gathering, music concerts, or award functions, all your elaborate preparation and efforts could be ruined if some unforeseen things happen. You can't possibly anticipate everything that may go wrong, but you can surely and comprehensively protect yourself from loss by opting for customized insurance cover. Now, who it covers? Now, insurance covers both business owners and private individuals. What it covers? Now, there are a wide variety of examples. It will depend on what type of insurance you choose. For example, some of the examples are participants' property damage, participant physical injuries, event cancellation, legal liability, damage to the venue, or damage to the rented equipment. Now, let's understand some of the examples. What is covered? The insurance coverage is highly customized to suit specific requirements. The basic coverage includes the following. Number one, event cancellation. Protection from losses due to cancellation of any event. This section also covers the additional costs or charges incurred by you to avoid or diminish a loss payable under the policy. Public liability provides cover for third party liabilities, for example, bodily injury, property damage arising during the course of the event by an accident in the premises where it is held. Next one is props, set, stage and equipments. Cover for loss or damage to the props, set, stage, equipments arising out of fire and allied perils. Cash in transit and safe insurance. Protection against loss in transit of money while carried out you or your employees or from a safe or strong room caused by during the course of the event insured period by robbery, theft, or any other unexpected event. Personal accident. Now, this covers against accidental bodily injury resulting in death or disability of the named person in the policy during the course of the event. Now, what is not covered? Non appearance of any persons or groups of persons, the insured lack of care, diligence, or prudent behavior, adverse weather, act of God. Now, what is act of God? Act of God are the circumstances which are not under control of human being. Now, any communicable disease or threat or fear of communicable disease, any fraud, misrepresentation or concealment by the insured, actual or threatened war or warlike condition, or seepage and or pollution and or contamination. Now, dear students, whatever we have seen, what is covered and what is not covered in the insurance are some of the examples. Now, it will depend on you what type of insurance you are taking from the insurance company. Now, let's understand how much does it cost for event insurance. Now, let's understand it will be a mixture of the type of couple of points such as the type of event, the number of people attending, how long the event is, where it is taking place, are there any hazardous activities. Now, the further up the scale of hazardous, the higher the price is likely to be. Now, so it completely depends on what things you are trying to cover under the insurance. In the conclusion, I would like to say that make sure you are properly covered no matter how well organized your event is. There are always eventualities that can be planned for, and insurance can protect you against the unforeseen circumstances. Public and employee liability insurance is the minimum you may want to consider for any type of event, but cancellation and extended cover for contingency, property, or terrorism could prove a valuable ins- could prove a valuable investment. Now, dear students, let's watch a small video here.
Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. We help people who have been injured in a wide variety of ways and in a wide variety of situations and in a wide variety of locations. Some of our cases involve people who are injured at special events, locations or events such as weddings or concerts or festivals or even county fairs. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about what event insurance is and why it might be important to know if an event insurance applied to a particular location or event, if in the event that you were ever injured at an event like that. So event insurance is special insurance that someone who is using a venue sometimes has to purchase as a condition of using the venue at all. For example, when concert promoters rent an arena or someplace like that to put on a concert, many times the arena requires a concert promoter to buy special event insurance to cover the event itself. For example, let's say that there's a wedding and the wedding's being held at some sort of a banquet facility, and the banquet facility forces the bride and her family to purchase wedding or event insurance for the wedding. So if someone is on the dance floor, let's say, and someone's doing some crazy move, maybe twisting or twirling his partner around, and that partner's feet kick up and somehow knock somebody in the head and injure them, that's different than someone who's on the dance floor and let's say there's a broken board on the dance floor and that person falls and hurts themselves. In the first situation where the dancing is going on and the people are sort of acting crazy, that's the kind of loss that might be covered by event insurance. Whereas something that has to do with an unsafe condition on the premises or in the building itself, that's going to be the kind of thing that's typically going to be covered by property insurance. Why is that different? Well, if let's say the person who was injured at the wedding and on the dance floor because of the wild dancing tries to make a claim against the building, they're likely going to be turned down because that's not the kind of claim that typically property insurance is going to cover. That person really ought to direct their claim to the event insurance. And likewise, the person who might trip and fall in a hole in the dance floor is going to need to pursue a claim against the property or the property owner itself and not the people who are throwing the wedding, unless somehow the wedding caused the hole in the floor. If the claimants have taken a while to bring the claim and they're close to the statute of limitations, these kinds of differences could be really, really important because if the claimant doesn't direct their claim to the right person or insurance company, they might be left without any recourse if the statute of limitations runs. So figuring all this out early is always helpful, and getting a lawyer involved to help figure it all out is sometimes very helpful. So if you have any questions in a situation like this, where if you're injured at an event, trying to figure out who do I direct my claims to, we'd be happy to help you.
Dear students, let's get back to our presentation. So these are some of the references I have used. For example, Journal Future Generali Insurance website, ICICI Lombard Insurance website, Fitz Small Business website, and for images I have used Google Images. Now, dear students, please like and subscribe the channel and also attempt the quiz related to the topic through the link provided in the description of the YouTube video. Dear students, I would like to thank you all for listening patiently and thank you for your time and attention. See you in next video. Until then, happy learning. Have a great day. Bye everyone.